Hello guys. Welcome to my another video. In this video, I am going to tell you about how you can install PHEONIX OS on your PC. For this, open your browser and search PHEONIX OS. Now open the site of PHEONIX OS. From here you can download the .exe file of PHEONIX OS. After downloading, run the .exe file. Select the drive where you want to install the system. And then select the appropriate memory. And then install the PHEONIX OS. After the installation, restart your PC. And select PHEONIX OS. You can use it just like Android. And especially you can play high graphics pub without lag in low-end PC. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching.